Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners. So today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can buy Dogecoin on Etoro. To do so, first of all, simply go onto your Google Chrome browser and search for Etoro.com and then log into your Etoro account on its official website. After you have logged into your account, it will be on the home page of Etoro. Here you can see a search box option on the top of the screen, and in here you can simply search for Dogecoin and you'll be able to see all the market option that is available regarding Dogecoin. Here you can see it is Dogecoin by Doge. Now if you simply click on trade from here, you'll be able to buy Dogecoin on your Etoro. If you click on the trade option, another pop-up will appear like this, from where you'll be able to buy the Dogecoin. Simply set on the amount and your order type and click on buy to be able to buy in your Dogecoin. And this was for this video, and that's how you can buy Dogecoin on Etoro. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.